I'm going to construct a triangle that has these side lengths. The first thing I would like to do is draw a line segment anywhere on the paper, any length. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure with my compass. It doesn't matter the order, but I'm going to choose the largest segment first, just because I'm going to go in size order. So compass point at one end, pencil point at the other, and I'm going to mark it on my paper just to prove that I've marked it correctly if anybody is looking to grade my work. Use the compass, keep the radius. Technically I only need an arc, but I'm going to go ahead and draw the entire circle, even though I know it's going to go off my page. I'm going to do the same thing for the second segment. Measure with my compass. And again, swing an arc so that I'm just proving that I actually marked the segment. And again, I technically only need the arc, but I'm going to go ahead and draw the entire circle. And let me do the third segment. And again, I'm going to just mark it off to prove that I've measured it. This time, I'm going to go to the other side, and I'm going to flip my compass around. And this time when I draw my circle, now it's a little confusing because of all of the arcs, but I'm going to connect where the second circle intersected the first circle and where the second circle intersected my original. If I've done this correctly, I should have arc lengths of all three line segments. The bottom portion is this side. The leg is this side. And the last one will be this side.